Webmail is an excellent email client that is built into cPanel. Webmail offers users the choice between two different inbox themes. To configure your webmail, first log into your web hosting account. Enter the email address and password used upon registration. Upon login, you will be met with the client dashboard. From the client dashboard, select the option called Services. Select the service that you wish to apply updates to. You will then be met with the product dashboard for the service that you have selected. On the left hand side, you will see a tab called Actions. Select the second options within this tab called Login to Webmail. You will be then met with the Webmail login page. Enter the email address and password associated to the email account that you have created. Upon logging in for the first time, you will be asked to select a Webmail application. Select the one that you require. Horde or Roundcube are available. Don't worry, this can be changed at any point. Upon successful configuration, an email should appear within your inbox. This email will include email configuration settings. Receiving this email lets you know that Webmail has successfully been configured. Email configuration settings allow you to connect via third-party emailing applications such as Hosted Exchange or Thunderbird. Well done, you have now successfully configured your Webmail to work with your current email address. Within Webmail, you can view your inbox, create new emails, manage your contacts, and edit your events within the calendar. Decided that you want to change your application? Simply click the Webmail logo that is located within the top left hand corner of your screen. This will bring you back to the page where you can change applications. Currently being used is Roundcube, however I would like to change to Horde. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, check out our other videos.